You ever try having a work call on Skype while on your Starlink and it won't stop freezing and buffering?
Is there something wrong with your Starlink? Why is your Starlink so slow?
You're in the middle of an important meeting or catching up with your friends, and then there's buffering and freezing and laggy video and choppy audio. We've all been there.
So if your Starlink was buffering, let's go inside and I'll show you how to fix that. Come on.
In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds for a much smoother and a lot less stressful Skype experience. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. Before you try anything, make sure that your dish is not obstructed. The easiest way to mess up your Starlink connection is to block your satellite dish. Now, obviously, you should not have something covering your dish. But even if you don't, you still might have a tree or part of your roof off to the side, partially obstructing your connection. Check the obstruction map in your Starlink app to make sure that your dishy has a clear view of the sky. Now, even if your dish is completely unobstructed, the connection can still be affected by a bunch of other factors. You could have a weak connection to your router. There could be interference from other Wi-Fi connections. There could be drops in coverage as the satellites move around, or you could just have an old faulty dish. Either way, the Starlink satellites all rotate at the exact same time, once every 15 seconds. So no matter what, you will experience little connection drops and packet loss, and this can affect your video streams, including your calls. The secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G, it could be 5G, it could be some old DSL line, could even be another Starlink.
But in the case that you have two Starlinks, you just use Speedify and put them together.
But the more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability. This keeps your internet fast even when your Starlink slows down. But you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? And it's easy. You just download Speedify, because Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding. This intelligently sends and receives your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level, which means it can increase your bandwidth. As you add more connections, this results in a smoother, crisper audio and video on Skype. Speedify even has an enhanced streaming mode that'll prioritize your stream traffic over everything else on your computer. Make sure that your Skype calls go through without any interruptions from something else. Plus, if you want to add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth or stability, you don't need extra adapters. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share their cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot, download Speedify for free on all your devices, and then just pair the phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with Skype, you know what to do. Just download Speedify today from the Google Play or the Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable, and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.